Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix File Explorer lagging or crashing on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So in order for you to do this, firstly go to your search option, then search for Control Panel. Sorry. So upon opening Control Panel, you change this view by to large icon. It might be on category when you open it like this, so you just have to change it to large icon, then click on File Explorer options. So upon opening here, you just click on restore default, apply, and then OK. So with this, you should have the lagging or crashing issue of File Explorer solved on your desktop. And if you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Thanks for